Hi everyone, welcome. I just wanted to do a quick video showing a new feature we added to the app. Simple feature, but I think it's a really good one. Basically, it's whenever you're adding items to your store, now you can include our shipping cost. So our shipping cost per item is 375. It's a flat fee, doesn't matter the item. From it can be from clothing, dresses to jewelry, accessories, things like that. So it's a flat fee. So now you can include that fee in your default set price, selling price of the item. So you don't have to set up shipping separately, or some of you offer free shipping. So this is a way where you can just include the shipping cost in the product retail price. You can still make any edits you want to the retail price, and then you can just click on this and it'll add 375 on top of that retail price. So for example, this item default selling price is $28, so we're just going to add 375 on top of the default selling price, so it will include the shipping cost of the item. So add, just make sure that's included, clicked, and then just click add to Shopify. So this will add $28 plus 375 for the default selling price. So let's click on that, and you'll notice here $20 plus 375, so 3175 for the item. So a really good feature. Excited about it. If you have any other questions or related to this, or any other questions related to anything else, please let us know. You can reach us via email, live chat, and phone support as well. Thank you, and have a good day.